Good morning, traders. It is 9 o'clock on Wednesday, the 12th of September, and I'm here to tell you that the information contained herein is of a general nature only and is not intended to address the circumstances of any particular individual or entity. I'm not a financial advisor or qualified to teach anyone how to do this. This is purely for my own revision, and so my sensei can help me out. Shouts out to Jacob. Alright, looking at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar pair. Having some nice little movement from this bad boy. I think it's on a new low from memory. Yeah, look at that. And I just blanket do not like getting into new lows. I made it a bit of a rule. It's also 4 bars into the trend, and this looks like, I forget what it's called. I think it's called a doji. Basically when there's like no body to the candle and like very short wicks, symmetric wicks. That means it's indecision. Obviously, like what happened there is no one was super keen to make it go anywhere. The buyers pushed it up a little bit, the sellers pushed it back down a little bit, and then it ended up exactly where it started. So this is an indicator of trend reversal. The stochastic and RSI and the Bollinger Bands tell you about strength of the trend, and it looks like it's gonna bounce back. This bad boy, it's saying it's on a trend. It's not going back up. I don't know. Let's see what these say. Look, these are good. These do indicate that they will continue. However, I don't know, I guess just the 5th candle in the trend scares me a little bit. Just do a small time frame. Okay, here we see, yeah, kind of what I was expecting to happen. Like it's oversold and then it goes back into the thing. This is gonna pull back up a little bit, and then it might continue the trend a little bit more. Have I made this trade? I may have this trade running. In which case, yeah, good. That's sweet. This was a sweet position to get in. This one here, not so much. Am I going to double down on it? No. Am I going to flag it and and sort myself out later? Yes. Australian dollar yen. Excuse me. Please change. Okay. MAs are in line. Parabolic and super trend in line. This going up. This going up. I like this one. Will I trade it? No. See, never get into a candle. Sorry, never get into a trend 4 candles into it. It's very rare that there are 4. There are more than 4 candles of any color in a row. So in these circumstances, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull back, you get in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull back, you get in around here, and then hopefully this will be up a little bit. So this is a really good trade for again about noon. So at 9 AM on the 12th of September, I said wait until noon for pullback. Then buy. Just a couple of bars, man. Just let the reds sort themselves out. You could argue that in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really matter if it just pulls back a little bit like it did here, but it could pull back a lot like it did here. And then, you know, if you got in here, like, you're fucked. So, next one. See what the Kiwi Aussie has to say. Is this a new... Look, ADX is a bit shit, and it's between 2 things. It's between 2 things. 2 moving averages. No, it's not. On the 1 hour. Yeah, look. If ADX were good, I'd be keen to get in on this one. But the ADX is sloping down and like at like 10, which is piss weak. So yeah, I'm not keen. Chop also says like consolidation sort of period. Euro, Australian dollar. It's between 2 MAs. It's between parabolic and super trend. Super trend's flat. This is going down. This has just made a little intersection. This is a real like classic not interesting, period. Just sideways movement for sure. Trend incoming, maybe. There's this bad boy swaps. If I can get a bit of green movement here, yeah, I'll tell you like my ideal situation just based on the indicators and the price action. So this crosses the 20-day moving average, crosses the 50-day one, and this one ends up above the two of them. If that happens, this goes up, this continues the way it's going, then we'll have a trade on our hands. Yeah, I guess 12 o'clock I'm gonna have to do like some pretty thorough analysis. So I guess I'm not starting today. What do we got? Okay. Here again, spot the line. This good. This good. This is good. This is average. Yeah. Looks right. I would just like a little bit more strength to the trend. So what I mean is either the ADX going up or the chop being below the threshold, or just some bigger green candles. Like he had like a really nice solid uptrend, whereas he is like dying. If you jump down to like a 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, you might be able to even draw a candle, a triangle. Okay, it's not a super good triangle, but like yeah, it's so what it means when support and resistance lines converge is that think of it like a war, and the bull and bear armies are getting weaker. So here's a mad bull trend, and then slightly weaker pullback, and then the mad bull one, and then weaker pullback, and mad, and like it keeps getting madder and madder, and it converges. So eventually it's gonna falter. So with the parabolic SAR being so close to the candles on the 15-minute trend, it will likely go down soon. And then I don't know, maybe it'll continue. I don't know. Basically, I don't know what's gonna happen. The reason I don't know what's gonna happen is because it's weak. It's because the ADX is weak. So I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it flagged. Do I care about it? Yeah, look, it seems to be bouncing around between these 2 points. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it flagged and have a look at it later. This, alright, this is flattened out. This has gotten weak. This has dropped down and doesn't really know what it's doing. Flat, other side, bad, just not a good trade. Again, oh dude, I missed out some really bad. I missed some really bad decisions. So last night I was like, should I sell this here? And I didn't like it because again, too many red bars. It's unsustainable. So yeah, I knew that there was going to be this little pullback. A good situation would be this is a high, this is a lower high, and then it just drops and you get progressively like lower and lower highs. But I have no idea if that's going to happen right now, and with the moving averages the way they are, it's not really something I want to trade. So that's been a bit shit, dude. This morning's been really lame. This afternoon should be good, and hopefully I'll be able to do another video of it. But I'll definitely be doing some technical analysis. But yeah, no trades today, this morning.